With these levelers, it's made my job extremely easy. It's in the time that it saves me and the precision that I can set my cabinets in. So we're JLH Customs. We were established in 2010. I've been doing this line of work pretty much my whole entire life, probably since I was about 2 years old and I could swing a hammer. There, we service which we call the tri-state area. We're based in Union, Kentucky, which is northern Kentucky. And I've always that guy that shims every corner, front, back, middle. When you look at an overall, you're setting 30 base cabinets in a kitchen or however big the kitchen might be. You shave off a lot of time per cabinet when you use these levelers. So at the end of the job, if I've saved myself 5 or 6 hours plus, I mean, they pay for themselves very easy. Not necessarily even the time that it saves me. It's with the precision that I can set these cabinets. And if I have to make micro adjustments and I've got 5 or 6 cabinets now bolted together, turn screwdriver,